to come over.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, hi, my name is Katleho. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my journey. I hope you stay and enjoy more of my content by clicking the subscribe button to become a part of this family. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. As always, your continuous support is highly appreciated. In today's video, I am doing the laundry. It is laundry day and I've got lots of laundry to fold, lots of laundry to wash as well. So join me again as I do some laundry today. If you have laundry to fold or you have laundry to wash, let us do it together. And yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do hope that you enjoy it.
Sometimes I get nervous, but too good to believe. I don't know how it happened, but baby, I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah. I probably shouldn't say this. I probably should erase it. I probably shouldn't say this. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do, call me a fan. I'm living, give me your hand. I'm in it, yeah. I wanna be with you. If that's the last thing that I could do. Feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep
about 3 loads that I needed to wash, and this is the first load going in. And when I was okay, I think I'll talk about it when I show it on camera. It's something that I want to ask you guys, but I think it will make a lot of sense when I'm actually showing you guys the clothes and what I actually want to talk about that's on the clothes.
Never know. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this so? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to sing, and suddenly it feels like heaven's not so far away. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
I think about 2 weeks ago, I was at Mr. Price and I was looking for slippers, and I ended up seeing a couple of items from the Priced to Go, and they really had some cute dresses for 150, 200, 100, and this is just one of them. I think I showed you a picture of the one that I'm actually wearing. This one I got for 100 rands, and in this burgundy one, unfortunately I couldn't get a picture from the website. I think it's out of stock. I got it for 150. And then I don't know, have I already showed you guys the polka dot one? The polka dot one I got for 150 as well. So these were really nice, cute. They're called Fit and Flare, I believe, but they're like maxi dresses. They're really nice and long. They're in well, the one that I'm wearing and the burgundy one that I just showed you guys is in a chiffon material, so it's nice and cool, you know, for like spring and summer. And then the polka dot one, I don't know what the material is, but it's also nice and light and airy, although it's not chiffon.
And before too long, I found where I belong. I can hear it, I can hear it. Oh, I can't stop the rush. Every note I touch, I can feel it saving me. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
This linen spray that I'm using over here, I got from at home for 100 rands. I don't know if it's still 100 rands, but I got all 3 of them. They had 3 different scents, and I cannot pick a favorite. They all smell amazing, and I think they also have hand wash in the same sense, like a hand wash, and I think a hand cream. And the hand wash and the hand cream also have 2 extra scents. I think there's one in grapefruit or something, and then the other one is in like a rose scent. Haven't tried them yet, but I hope to try them really soon because I really do think they're gonna smell amazing. I bought these ones blindly, by the way. I bought them online, and when they arrived, I absolutely fell in love with them. So yeah, if you're looking for a linen spray, this is not sponsored, by the way, just plugging you guys. If you really want a nice linen spray that smells good, that smells amazing, you can try any one of these 3. They smell really good.
On the stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
So this is what I wanted to show you guys. This, I don't know whether to call it lint or just fluff. I have cleaned my washing machine filters, like I wash them all the time before I start a laundry cycle, like not every cycle, but like on a laundry day. Before I start washing the laundry, I will clean my filters. At the end of the day, at the end of the laundry day, I will do a tap clean and it cleans the machine. But somehow I sometimes end up with clothes looking like this. So if you guys have any tips and tricks on how to avoid this, please do let me know in the comment section, because it is really annoying. I know I can take it off with like a brush or a lint roller, but I can do with not having to deal with them at all. So if you know how I can avoid that, please do leave me a comment down below.
Dancing on the moon, moon, moon. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks.
guys, this is a couple of days later and I've already started editing this video, and I noticed that it just ends abruptly. I don't know what happened. I think I forgot to I was eating. I hope there's nothing in my teeth. If there is, I am so sorry for that. But I just noticed that I didn't end, like it just ends abruptly nje. And I think there's a few things that I did that I forgot to record. For example, the curtains, I ended up washing them after after so many weeks. I think I took them down maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago when I was doing spring cleaning, when I was actually washing the curtains for the rest of the house. That's how long ago. And they've been sitting here on the floor. I'll wash them, I'll wash them, I'll wash them. So finally I did, and I also cleaned the windows. I woke up early, cleaned the windows, and then I washed the curtains, and straight from the machine I hung them up. If you've been on the channel, you know I don't hang my curtains outside. I just wash them, put them up again, and they just dry. They just air dry. So yeah, the curtains are up, they're nice and clean, the windows are clean. I've already cleaned this room as well. I've folded all the laundry, although I have laundry again in the basket. Maybe you can see it. No, you can't. The laundry basket is full of laundry again, so I need to do, I don't know what's happening these days, but it seems like I have to wash laundry quite often. And I hope I see accident. If there is, I pray that they are okay, because kunina ma ambulance adlula. But anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Actually, I've started the new video, and yeah, I just realized I didn't close off this one, and I've started a new one. So I just wanted to come in here and say thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a like, to comment in the comment section, and to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really do hope that you have a fantastic week, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water.